So, Praharsha madam, my wholehearted congratulations on your wonderful score today. In fact, you have demonstrated a sweeping performance all the way. Nowhere you showed any stress, nowhere you showed any tension, and everywhere in every domain you performed very well. So, can you share how do you feel with this particular experience today?
Sir, today I feel very happy, sir, and I take this opportunity today. I have definitely I want to speak today. This is session. I want definitely I take good marks from on you, sir. And I have some scare about Vanilla ma'am. She is very good in better than me, sir. That's why I am very
tough
scared about
competition.
her.
Uh,
I feel very happy today, sir. I take good marks from on all. That's the reason, sir. I
Yeah, because
definitely,
even
I
audience
think,
also give audience around is there. So audience, they too, as per the poll, you stood number one, not only from my score and even from the audience
yes,
poll
yes,
also you got 53%.
yes, sir, yes, sir. I'm
Very
very happy, sir.
perfect.
Also, sir, in our team discussion, we have motivated her. Okay, don't take any tension. Don't
Yes, yes, sir,
talk
yes, sir.
about,
They
don't
are also
think about the
suggested
errors.
me, sir.
Hmm, very
Sundar sir suggested me, don't take tension. You have to, you can tell fluently.
perfect.
Don't take the tension like that. He suggested me, sir.
Wow, that's really great. Great. So wonderful team spirit is also being
Yes, sir. Yes,
demonstrated.
sir. I have wonderful team, sir, today.
Perfect, perfect. Well, coming to this particular growth in you, right from the day one to till date. So, what sort of steps are you taking? Because it might not have happened overnight. So, right from the beginning, because in the initial stages, you are branding yourself. Sir, I cannot speak. I do not know. English is tough. English is difficult. So that is the kind of statements you are giving. Now, today, in fact, you have shown remarkable improvement. So, what is the secret of yours?
Sir, actually, you tell every day you have to practice. You definitely improve yourself. I can listen from on the words from on you, sir. Constantly, you have to read step by step. You definitely improve yourself, and you gave me a very encouraged to me, sir. In top in first day to till now, you are encouraging me, sir. And you in any mistakes I told you corrected my sentences. After that, I correct my sentences, sir. And everyone also in this session as helpful nature, sir. You
Very
can
good.
any mistake they tell it is wrong, it is right. They are tell to me, sir. I'm very happy. In some members are not told in other side, but in our paperless fluency, the members is very good, sir. Very good
Wow.
human being. I'm very
Very good.
happy.
Excellent.
I'm very happy, sir. In this session, I'm joined.
Mm.
And you told the instructions to everyone is very, very good improvement, sir. It is very helpful as to develop our future, sir. That is.
Wow, that's really, really great. It's a proud moment for you. I can understand. Now, can you share your childhood experiences? In fact, what's your qualification? Where did you have your education? And why did you decide to take up a course in fluency and communication?
Sir, in my childhood days, I don't know. I didn't read any single word, sir. I didn't know. In my seventh class also, I don't read about the sentence. I didn't know how to read, how to pronunciation the words. One my friend give a suggestion to me. The letters A, A, Anna, like that, she give the suggestion. After that, on that time, I have a very anxiety. I have very curiosity about the English, sir. I have definitely read about the English. Why I'm not read about the English? I won't speak. I won't speak definitely. That's the time I read sentence formation and spellings, everything. I'm overcome that, sir. After my education, Telugu medium, so 10th to Telugu medium up to. after intermediate to MBA, the English medium. And the time only, that is only teachers are told only Telugu conversations
You meant to say
only.
that even during MBA also, they were
Yes,
talking
sir, yes,
Telugu
sir.
only.
MBA also till we are discussing only Telugu conversations.
Mhm.
But in my mind, I won't speak English. I like, sir, actually, I won't speak English. I want speak fluently. Whatever it may be my job, I won't speak English fluently. That is in my mind. I saw your video in YouTube, sir. I'm not joined any clapping or so many in YouTube, sir, but I'm not joined anyone, sir. Actually, I saw in your video in Paperless Fluency. I took the I put the button, sir, and I'm subscribed user. I've
Mhm.
joined. I definitely joined. I want to learn English. And also you helped me, sir, a lot. I lot in my life. I thank you, sir. I thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. In fact, it is your dedication and your hard work, madam. In fact, because I teach the way I teach to everyone, that is the way I'm teaching you also. It is your dedication which is helping you to reach new heights.
Yes,
Very
sir. Thank you so much, sir.
excellent. So may I know your goal in life? What is your goal in life and who is your
Actually,
role model?
yes, sir. Actually, my goal in my education completed, I joined in one society bank, sir.
Hmm.
After that, in my personal, my father's and my mother's problems, actually there, I have a experience of the 4 years of experience in society bank, sir.
Hmm.
They are transfer me in Nellore.
Oh. Hmm.
On that time, my mom got an operation, sir.
Hmm.
I do work. I do work for my parents. No one be in my home. I'm the only member. I have to help my for my parents. That's the reason. And also, I won't go there. On the time, I go there at 7 o'clock,
Hmm.
and I will at the night 10 on the take that time so much.
Hmm.
I'm not go anywhere with single, sir. I need my father.
Hmm.
So that's the reason. Only my mom. How can she handle like that? I think about that. That's why I'm stopped there, sir.
Hmm.
After that, I decide that on that in my MBA time also I do. I'm really joined. Why I'm get the opportunity of software job, sir.
Hmm.
I want that job, sir. I want taste that
Very good.
software job. How it is
Hmm. So you can
I want
take help of
experience.
so many software engineers are there in our group. So
Yes, sir. I
some
want to experience that job, sir. That's why I definitely my aim, sir. I formally made up my mind to be a software employer. Definitely in a few months, I join, sir, in top
Perfect.
MNC
So you want
companies.
to be an MNC employee. You want to take
Yes,
up a job in a software company.
yes, sir.
Very good. We wish you all the best. We wish you great success in all your endeavors. So keep it up. You're regular, you're punctual, you're systematic, and you're doing hard work. And keep it up. And just be confident and believing in
Yes,
yourself. Things will happen. All the
yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you
best.
so much, sir.
Thank you very much.